I'm going to film here the unboxing of a walker. I got it from Amazon, uh, even though I like to patronize the local stores. I decided to get this one from Amazon because it was a lot cheaper and about 30% cheaper than buying at the local store. So I had time, I could wait for the free shipping, so I took it. Let's start. It is basically the same one we had locally, and nothing exceptional with it. It's a walker with wheels and the thing that slides in the back. Okay. Oh, good. It is basically assembled. I thought I would need to assemble it, but looks like it's totally assembled. No accessories inside the box. It came on a plastic bag. Totally assembled. The sliders for the back. Just felt. Good shape. I don't see any trouble here. Well, the one we got from Red Cross had a problem on this part here, where the lock is for the walker when you open it. This one, it's working properly. That lock comes up when you open the walker. The one from Red Cross was not opening properly, it was not locking in place. So that's one of the reasons I got this one here. And not only this, I need to return the Red Cross walker. Nothing much to assemble, just get rid of the plastic bags and the signs. There's my box here. Getting rid of this. Here it's a label with the manufacturer. Let me put back in place. Interesting, there is a serial number. I didn't know they make those with serial numbers, but there's a serial number here. And it's made in China. Okay, so let's get rid of that piece of plastic here. There's always some plastic piece left. For me, that's a little bit annoying. Let's take a look at the instructions. Some instructions here with the different possibilities, instructions in English and French because I'm in Canada, and recommendations on how to set the height of the walker. I'm going to use the same height as the walker we have from Red Cross. And recommending also before using the walker, lock all the mechanisms. Okay, so The locking mechanisms are not difficult to lock. Uh, some people prefer the wheels inside, some people prefer the wheels outside. I personally prefer the wheels outside, and this walker here specifically has no way of locking with the wheels inside, so to change this, one would need to disassemble the wheels. You can only lock in place, what is it here, you can only lock in place with the wheels facing outside. So very simple locking mechanism, easy to use, easy to set up. She's very short. It will be probably on one of the last settings. One detail here, it's the back option. We can use this, but this one will be always sticking in place, or we can let's see how to take it off. We can change this and put this ski thing, and it'll be easier to slide. It depends on the person. I need to test with Mom. I will do some Google search also on what is best, is if it's to have something that sticks on the floor and the wheels in the front, or if it's better to have something that slides easily on the floor and the wheels on the front. So let me do some research now, and I'll get back later. Okay, now I got this foot off the pole, and I'm going to insert this thing here that looks like a ski. I'm going to insert it in the back, and the position that it's going to enter, it's this. So to have this curved part facing front, I need to insert in the same side as the holes. So I'm going to insert this way, and it's not difficult to insert. Just press and push, and it goes into place. If you need to adjust the position, it's just a matter of turning the way the other. So let's put it back here. And I have to do the same on the other side. So to do this, I just take out this part, take this out, I wonder how a senior could do this without help. Put this in place, again facing the same side as the holes. Push into place. And back in. Okay, so let me adjust height here on the second hole, and I need to check with Mom which height she needs. The wheels also come covered with plastic. I need to take this off. And it's ready to be used. Oops, not really that much. Let me see what's wrong here. This one is in the wrong hole. Yes, okay, should be fine now. Yes, that's good now. It's firm, no much wobbly, not much different than the one she's using now. Thank you.